Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Queen of Cups, Nine of Pentacles in reverse and Nine of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Pisces, you are someone who's really loving, caring, and you are dedicated. So whatever you take up, guys, in your life, maybe you have made some choice, you stand by those choices, and you are someone who is devoted in your situation, maybe to your work or in your relationship. You are someone who is very caring and nurturing. So people around you, they are really happy to be with you, and they simply love to be with you, love your company. But today in your situation, guys, maybe your efforts, your devotion is not enough. There are certain things going against you, some kind of troubles, or certain things may go in an unexpected way. So you have a lot of worries in your situation, guys, and you feel that you cannot trust. Maybe you cannot trust someone or some situation. And I also see that in your situation, it may be the reason for troubles may be the mistakes of someone. So someone has done something wrong, some kind of mistakes on their part. That may be the reason for things going in a bad way. And for some of you, you may know the truth. So their mistakes or whatever they did. So because of those mistakes, you know the truth, and you know what is the reason for things going in a particular way. So it may be in your work situation, or it may be in this relationship. Maybe you may feel that this person is not like before. So there is some kind of gap, maybe something missing in this relationship. Maybe lack of communication, or something is gone wrong with this connection, you may feel, but you don't know what it is. Maybe it may be some mistake on this person's part. So they are guilty of something. So that is the reason they are unable to reveal all that. But the way they are, their behavior itself, it's giving you that understanding that there is something they are hiding. And maybe for some of you, you may even know the truth. What is the reason for things going in a particular way in your situation, guys, Pisces? So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card here. That is your first card. After a few seconds. Okay, guys, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. The Tinderbox Soldier. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you in your situation today, you have a lot of things going on in your mind and you need to make a choice, a wise choice. But the choices you make are going to affect someone in your life, so someone close to you, and that is the reason you are thinking. And if this harsh choice is necessary today for you, and what is the way you are going to benefit, or how it is going to affect the other person, and can you live with that choice? So that is what is worrying you today. And maybe the actions we do, we may feel that we are not punished for whatever wrongs or whatever mistakes that we do. We are living happily, but we need to understand that we ourselves know that we have done something wrong in our life. So that is there in our situation. And is it worthwhile to sacrifice our ethics just for some kind of momentary happiness? And can we live with that? Can we live with such sacrifices, sacrificing our own ethics and ideals and beliefs, whatever we stand for, the good things we have in our heart? So is this choice worth it, worth giving up all those just for that momentary happiness or joy? So in your situation today, guys, you need to understand that, is your ambition getting over you? Is it holding that power over you to decide or make ruthless choices? So you need to think it out clearly, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So in your situation, you are making some harsh decisions for yourself, and it is really painful for you. But you need to understand that you can live, you can do things in a much simpler way if you give up your ambitious attitude, guys, in life. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Greet the Dawn. So it not only means a new beginning and fresh start in life, it just means that each and every day is a new opportunity to start fresh. So whatever happened yesterday, today we are getting a chance to do things differently. So the light of a new day is an invitation to shine more brightly with love and beauty onto the world. So it may touch others and warm their day. So you don't have to take on the world, you don't have to strive hard. You just have to do your best and do not force things to happen. So the more you force things, there are going to be a lot of conflicts you are going to face today, guys. So you just need to allow your day to unfold as it is, and have that sense of acceptance and gratitude for whatever gifts or challenges each and every day brings in our life. So that is what our attitude should be. The way we welcome each day with happiness, with that open arms, welcoming all those challenges and the joy it brings with that happiness and gratitude. So when we do that, things will change for the better, guys. Our positive attitude is going to change the way things are going in our life, and it is what this card is about. That positive attitude we need to have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.